Hey, if you wonder how you can update software of your Xiaomi Watch S3, let me quickly show you. So first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi data or mobile data on your smartphone, and you have to go into the Mi Fitness application, go into the device, and now you will have to scroll down all the way down and then select update. Now, as you can see from this, we've got some new features. Let's actually add the Alexa voice assistant, NFC MasterCard, the new watch faces, and optimize some system functions. So click to download. Now, as you can see from here, we can actually follow the downloading process. And after this, we have to wait for the synchronize process. We can follow it on the phone or on our watch. After this, the device will be updated. Additionally, you can restart your phone and your watch to make everything work fine. And it's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.